Alright, in this video I will show how I make the wooden pulley. This is it, already grinded down. To create the groove for the belt I used for the lathe machine this cutter. I go inside here to create the groove, or with the 45 degrees angle. Just make sure you're not to push too far, because the axis of the drill is going pushed away if you push too far. So what I did, I put the belt inside here, made some markers when it rotates, and after that I've made the groove for the belt. You can also use a chintzy like this one. Go inside here and create the groove. Make sure go slow, not too fast. And this is how I create my wooden pulley. By the way, this is a rotary holder for the drill press. Looks like this. I've bought this on the flea market for a few euros. And yeah, really good to create some wooden pulleys or other round things. And when to finish the surface, you can use a angle grinder with this, or a Dremel or something else. What do you have? So be creative. Use what tools you have. It's not so complicated to create this, and it rotates really good. So pretty smooth. That's it. Thank you.